Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Outlook perfect for managing your emails, calendar, contacts, and more. When you open Outlook, the dashboard shows email, calendar, and apps. If you click on Apps, it will show Files, Contacts, and all other apps available in Outlook. To create a new email, go to the bottom right and tap Create New Email. A small pop-up will appear where you can choose New Email or New Event. Just select New Email. Type your recipient, subject, and message. Then, hit Send. For the calendar, tap the plus sign at the bottom right. It will show New Event. Enter all the event details like title, time, location, and invite participants if needed. To access contacts, go to Apps and click Contacts. You'll see all the people saved in your contacts. If you want to add a new contact, just tap the plus sign at the bottom right and fill in the details. If you want to check archived, drafts, sent, deleted, or junk emails, click on your profile at the top left. You'll find all those folders there. With these simple steps, you can easily manage your emails, calendar, and contacts in Microsoft Outlook, keeping everything organized and accessible. And that's it for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.